In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email profile picture in Gsuite or Google Workspace. This is a simple process that will take about 5 minutes, and by the end of it, you'll have a fresh new image representing you across Google's platforms. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to go to Google Workspace. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Workspace's homepage. Once you've reached the homepage, your next task is to click on the admin console. This is where you'll be managing all your account settings, so make sure you're in the right place. Now, it's time to log in using your business email. Enter your credentials and make sure that you have admin privileges, as these are required to make changes to your profile picture. If you run into any login issues, verify your credentials and check if you have the necessary permissions. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right of the screen and click on the Google Apps menu. This menu provides access to various Google services. From this menu, you'll need to click on the admin icon. This action will take you to the administrative settings for your organization's Google services. Within the admin section, the next move is to go to the directory. Clicking on the directory is important because this is where all user profiles are managed, including yours. It's the central hub for making any changes related to user information. In the directory, you'll find the Users option. Click on Users to proceed further. This will display a list of all the accounts linked to your organization's Google Workspace. Search for your account profile among these. Once you've located your account profile, click on it. This will open up your account's overview page where various details about your usage and settings are displayed. Here you will find the option to change your profile picture. Finally, locate the profile photo icon. Usually it's a small circle or image located next to your name. Once you've clicked on the profile photo icon, you'll be prompted to upload an image. Select the image you want to set as your new profile picture. After selecting your image, it will be uploaded and saved as your new email profile picture across all Google services. And there you have it, your Google Workspace email profile picture is now updated. Making your profile image more personal can really enhance your professional digital interactions, so feel free to revisit and update it as your preferences change. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.